Correct.
in the relationship.
True.
That so now in hindsight, when I look at things, I do realize that in my relationship before Karan and in Karan's, like in our relationship also, there were times where I was the problem.
Correct.
There were times when I was the one who was so overbearing, who was so over available at all given points of time, who was just constantly revolving her life around that one person.
Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Happily Whatever After. So,
Yeah.
as we discussed, right, the whole relationship is an equal thing, but that equality will only happen when you start internalizing yourself and asking yourself that what do you want from this
Yeah.
relationship, and when you start doing those things for your partner, the relationship actually starts evolving.
Yeah, correct. And also, it's a very small, everyday tasks
Yeah.
that we don't, we are very unconscious about. Like we don't give them enough
Attention.
attention.
Yeah.
But if we just keep doing them mindfully, if we start noticing that how much love there is in the morning kiss that
Yeah.
we give each other, or how
Yeah.
much anticipation there is that एक दिन अगर तुम मुझे बिना हक किए चले जाते हो ऑफिस, तो दोनों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है
Yeah,
पूरे
yeah,
दिन, है ना?
yeah.
तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें कितने बड़े तरीके से काउंट की हैं
Yeah.
to keep our relationship together,
Absolutely. Yeah.
to keep it going and to keep it happy, and not and bring it back to happy when it is not.
True. And as you rightly said, it's not about being happy all the time. It is also sometimes when you are in the low phase, these small things actually help you out and gives you that hope that everything is going to be fine. So that is a beauty in these small things that we should keep on doing. So from our side, once again, telling you guys these small things really help us, and it has been helping us till the journey that we are into today. When I'm talking about, it has been almost 10 years then when we started dating, but 7 years when we have got married. And
Yeah.
with that start, I think Shokhi has a beautiful poem that she wrote. Yeah.
So this was also the first time in so many years that just to talk to you guys and to bring on someone on the podcast, we ourselves unconsciously did a lot of things
Yeah.
on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
करण ने मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर सा बॉक्स दिया जो हैंडमेड है, नॉट बाय करण बट हैंडमेड.
Yes.
ओके.
By an artist.
टेक्निकल.
Yes.
यस. और इसके अंदर करण ने मुझे हमारे सारे आज तक के जो हमने एक दूसरे को लेटर्स लिखे थे ड्यूरिंग आवर रिलेशनशिप,
Yeah.
अब वो काफ़ी कम हो गए हैं, बट अभी भी हम लिखते हैं एक दूसरे को लेटर्स.
Yeah.
बट उस टाइम पे जब हमारे बहुत भसड़ होती थी, बहुत लंबे चौड़े से इमोशनल अत्याचार चलते थे
Life में.
लाइफ में, तो उस टाइम पे हमारे लेटर्स हमें बहुत काम आते थे.
Yeah.
सो वी हैड रिटन लेटर्स टू ईच अदर, और उसमें ये पोएम निकली जो आज तक हमारे कमरे में
Framed है.
फ्रेम करी हुई लगी हुई है. सो आई विल ऑल्सो कम टू दैट पोएम, बट बिफोर दैट आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू गाइज दीज लेटर्स. सी, so these are very romantically written letters, and they were sealed. Okay,
They are not letters. It's
they were letters.
yeah.
They were sealed, and those were written like open when one said that open now, and it says to Prince Charming from Crazy Stalker. Then the other says open when you are going to Vipassana or you are missing me. Then the other one says open when you are worried about the future or you're having a bad day.
Yeah.
Then the other one says open when you screwed up or open when I screwed up.
Yeah.
Now what did we
I
mean
think
back then about
back then
screwing up?
was very different now.
Yeah, now screwing up is big.
Big.
Open when we are breaking up or we are getting married. Oh my god, like so dramatic. I cannot believe it. And then this was the one, okay? This was the most so this I had written with the intention that मुझे constantly ऐसा fear रहता था कि कभी ना कभी तो कोई पास्ट से वापस आ जाएगा, ओके? करण के पास से कोई ना कोई आ जाएगा ऐसे भाचकी मारने, मेरी सारी उम्मीदों पे पानी फेरने. So this one I had written open when there is a blast from the past and the second option was you want to propose. Like आप contrast देखिए आप
Yes, yes.
कितना सोच के contrast बनाए लोग.
ये तुम ही सोच सकती हो जो तुम रोमांटिक या सॉरी बॉलीवुड के रोमांटिसाइज्ड वर्जन्स में जो कंट्रास्टिंग. यस.
So these letters I had given to Karan, and now I can see all of them are opened because ये use हो चुके हैं.
यस, ये सारे यूज हो चुके हैं इसमें से.
So and at this point of time, we had when I had written this poem, we were into 4 months of relationship,
Yes.
and Karan was sailing in 2 boats together, if you know what I mean. Okay, but nonetheless, I did not know that, so I wrote this. Okay, pardon me if I don't know how to narrate a poem or how to read a poem. But it goes like, people have been asking us about our story. Every time that happens, we look at each other across the room and smile secretly. There is a silent question between us. What is our story? I think it started in the middle, our story. Like a 15th chapter or like a new twist in the novel. It started with a surprise. There was no prelude to it, no first page, no build up. There was no start to our story. I think maybe it started all those years ago, but we never paid attention. We never let it become anything more than a sentence. There were single sentences written over the years, or maybe one sentence for every year. Even those meetings seemed like excerpts from the middle of a story. We almost believed we never had a story. I have a feeling though, the sentences started getting more and more interesting, a little more descriptive in the past few days. We wrote a few more lines every time we met. We painted a few more dreams in whatever time we get. We were confused, both of us, trying hard to make sense out of those lines. We thought they could make a story, but we were scared. After all, we both have had our shares of the end. What we thought would be the book of our life had become a short story. But we had seen them all, didn't we? Poems, articles, blog, and newspaper columns. Poems full of our first love, full of our childhood dreams. Of course, in our own separate lives. Blogs and articles about all the fun we had, the trips, the pranks. Newspaper columns about the events that changed us, shook us up, that transformed our lives. But we still had our faith. We believed in the first love of our respective lives. One fine day, we found out there was a page called The End. The last page of what turned out to be a short story. And today, when our eyes meet across the room, we both know we don't want another short story. We don't want to break down over the end ever again. So we decide, we start right here, in the middle, to save us the pages we spent, the time catching up with each other, to save us the chapters, epilogue, etc. We come together to tell our story, which started in the middle.
Yes. The story which started in the middle, guys. It's a beautiful poem, and I think it has a lot of meaning today when we go back. And when Shoki was reading, I just went into the past, and probably as Shoki, before starting the poem, she told you guys that I was sailing through in double boats. I don't know what to do at that point of time. I was utterly confused, and as the story really mentions that we had our own end right, of short stories. Probably that was where our story started, and we knew somehow that this is where we want to start our chapter of life and bring uh, the new life which does not have the end, and it which does not have the end, and it is always happily whatever after. Let me
Yeah.
put it. Yeah. So
I should add that.
yeah.
But जो frame हो गई है कब उसमें नहीं होगा.
Yeah, but it's going good. Thank you so much, Shok, for that poem.
I love
With this, I think one important factor which comes in is that how our past relationships affect our current relationship. That is something that
Yeah.
has brought my memory back to it, because I remember when you wrote this poem. It was something that I was sailing into two boats, and I was not able to make any decisions. And in most of our cases, if we see as humans, we always have this challenge that कि यार हमको रिलेशनशिप से क्या चाहिए, और अगर हमारा पास्ट रिलेशनशिप जो भी हो, कितने भी हो, एक हो, दो हो, तीन हो, चार हो, how it actually spoils the current relationship, because you have so much of expectations, you want so much from your partner, but in the end you don't do anything for it. You are just asking for more. You are not changing yourself for that relationship.
Also, I feel it doesn't need to be necessarily affecting in a bad way.
Yeah.
Like it's up to us to be aware of what the past relationship has done to us
Correct.
and how it has changed us. What are the fears, baggages, and issues we are carrying into the new relationship?
Yeah.
And also, are we operating from those fears
Correct.
in the new relationship?
Yeah.
So, like given the fact that I was in a relationship also
Correct.
before you,
Hmm.
I was, but somehow like it was not a bad relationship.
True.
It was just that at some point of time the other person decided to move on,
Correct.
and I couldn't.
Yes.
The only really sad thing was that the other person decided to move on at a time when I was not in a good place in my life.
Correct.
So I used to hold him responsible that when my mom's this thing happened
Correct.
and all the complications in the relationship was going on, and he found someone
Correct.
else. So it just became a very sad dard dil wala thing for me. So which was something that I held on to for a very long time, and it also stopped me from getting into any more relationships.
Correct.
Like I used to just feel like there is enough going on in my life right now with mom and money issues and everything and job, so I should just not be in a relationship.
True.
So even though I probably would have been better off with someone supporting me during those hard times,
Correct.
but because I have had a heartbreak, I was so scared of that pain and that loneliness that comes after a relationship
Yeah.
that I decided to just cut off from
Correct.
any kind of love and support
Yeah.
in my life. So I was with Suyash and Roshni, and I was just not available as a relationship,
Correct.
like as a girlfriend
Yeah.
ever
Correct.
to anyone. I was great friends with people,
Correct.
and there were friends who had told me that they love me and they like me and stuff like that, but I had never committed.
Correct. That's the block that we are talking about, right? So
Like kind of, I was kind of creating situationships.
yeah.
Is that what they call in
I don't.
today's time?
That's probably there. I'm not aware of it. But yes, as you rightly said, that what happens when we have our past relationships, or when we are broken in a relationship. Most of the times, we have a certain expectation from that relationship, that this is how our relationship will be, and this is how I will evolve into the relationship, or my relationship will evolve. But when all of a sudden the relationship goes for a toss, or if a partner moves on without intimating, or if a partner move on, as in your case, you actually shut off from the world itself, right?
Yeah.
You are actually broken to that extent that you do not want to
Open your
connect
heart.
again to
Yeah.
anyone. You don't want to open your heart, which is basically a very, very hard thing for any human. And this also happened with me because, like you said, my relationship was also like a 7-year-old relationship back then. Correct. I too had sort of proposed, and I had proposed for marriage, and things were moving on, and all of a sudden it was just like कि यार there is no forward in the life, there is nothing, because all of a sudden you see that कि यार जो भी आपने ड्रीम्स की होती है वो आपकी ड्रीम सारी शैटर हो जाती है, and then you don't feel like building the blocks again, right? Unless you feel that love in the relationship. So from my perspective, I think what is more important is you need to first understand that what is it that you're wanting from the relationship, and if you are able to understand first within yourself that what exactly do you want, you should actually not step into the second relationship. That is something that I have learned.
So you want to say that after the breakup you figure out what you want from that relationship,
After the breakup, yes, that can be one of the cases, like
and then pursue that person again, or
not pursue that person again. If the person has moved on, then you cannot pursue with that person, right? But then the next relationship that you are wanting, or you want to move forward, then probably you want to clear your head that what do you want from the relationship.
So don't jump from one relationship to
To
the
another.
It's
Yes,
what
that's what I'm trying to say. That you cannot jump from one relationship to another relationship.
Yeah.
Our story is a very different story. But yes, life lessons learned, and as you guys know that our relationship is a very different relationship. But ये हम लोग ने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं दैट कि अगर आपका हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है, गिव योर सेल्फ सम टाइम, एंड विद टाइम lot of things will heal within yourself, because आप एक broken state में होते हो उस समय, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता है कि आपको करना क्या है इस रिलेशनशिप में, या अपने साथ में क्या करना है. बिकॉज वॉट इज हैपेंड इज, एक तो आपका रिलेशनशिप जिस तरीके से इवॉल्व हुआ, आपने कोई ड्रीम्स देखी, वो तो सक्सेसफुल हुई नहीं, देन यू बिकम स्केयर्ड दैट वेदर आई विल बी एवर getting the relationship that I want, whether I will be happy as I always wanted. You start becoming a more matured person because you understand that जो life दिखाती है वो तो होता नहीं है.
But also, Karan, I would say that you are talking about a 25-26-year-old person ending a relationship.
Correct.
Right? But जब हम 21-22 होते हैं, which happened with me, so तब आपको इतना ज्ञान ही नहीं होता ना, तब तो आप नए नए लाइफ में आए होते हो, तब तो नई नई नौकरी में आए होते हो, तब आप कैसे ये सोचोगे कि ओके बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप आई शुड नॉट क्लोज माय हार्ट एंड आई शुड जस्ट, तब तो आपको ये आइडिया नहीं होता है, तब तो आप सिर्फ ये दर्द दिल में बैठे हुए होते हो कि ओ भाई देखो हमारे साथ क्या हो गया,
Correct,
यू नो,
correct.
एंड यू कैन नॉट मूव ऑन एट दैट एज.
True,
मतलब
true.
आप इतनी जोर से पकड़ के रखते हो ना अपने दर्द को कि ओ क्या गलती हो गई मेरे से, एंड फिर हम ऐसी पोएम लिखते हैं,
Yeah,
बहुत-
शेर शायरी.
हाँ शेर व शायरियाँ होती है, वो लूप में गाने चलते हैं, ऐसे आओगे जब तुम वो साजना टाइप. तो ऐसा फीलिंग होती है सीरियसली कि ओ हाँ अब हम जब भी मेट के सेकेंड हाफ के करीना कपूर परमानेंटली लाइफ में चलेंगे, परमानेंटली कोई आना ही नहीं हमको, आदित्य आएगा ही नहीं हमको सेव करने के लिए,
Yes.
हम वैसे ही हो जाएंगे, सलवार कुर्ते पहन के सफेद कलर के कपड़े पहन के बिना काजल वाजल लगाए.
Yes.
सो माय पॉइंट इज कि एट दैट एज तुमको इतनी मेच्योरिटी नहीं होती है यार, तुमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप नेक्स्ट रिलेशनशिप में घुसने से पहले रुक जाओ. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ आवर fans. Oh, I love that word. So she messaged me and she said that there are a lot of things that are similar in her story as well, and opposition from parents, kundli, and all of those things are happening. But the point is that she has been in a abusive relationship before,
Correct.
and then later, now the relationship that she's in
Yeah.
is fairly new.
True.
And when she's wanting to take that forward into marriage, everybody is saying it's too soon. You don't know the person, get some time
Correct.
to know the person. Then there are people who are saying ki kundli wundli nahi match ho rahi hai, so you stay away and don't do this, and what do you know about the guy, don't know anything about the guy. And you know the surprising thing is she herself is also feeling that I'm not able to pinpoint what I like about the guy.
So my
But the fact that she's she just knows it,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
this is it.
Correct.
How do you explain to her that yes, I somewhere agree that take time, because I have made that problem in my life. I have created that issue with you
Correct.
in my life, that I was like, okay, सब कुछ सही है, and then we were in a relationship, and then you suddenly wanted to meet my father,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
And you took me to meet your mother. I was not ready
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
And then after which we realized कि oh, असली issues ये है.
Correct.
So which is why I also want personally to tell her that भाई रुक जा,
थोड़ा टाइम ले ले.
थोड़ा time ले ले. But at the same time, I'm also thinking that is it because the other relationship was toxic?
Correct.
She thinks that this is bare minimum
Yeah.
and this is good.
करेक्ट. सो माई पॉइंट बीइंग दैट शो, एक तो क्या होता है जब हमारे पहले रिलेशनशिप में हम होते हैं, करेक्ट, हम एक सर्टन एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट कर लेते हैं अपने लाइफ में. पहली बात तो एज यू राइटली सेड दैट कि हम 21 ईयर्स के होते हैं तो हमको कुछ पता ही नहीं होता कि क्या रिलेशनशिप है, कैसा है. वी जस्ट गेट इनटू द रिलेशनशिप एंड देन वी आर इनटू दैट जोन दैट कि यार मैंने तो क्या क्या सोचा था, वो तो मेरे साथ हुआ ही नहीं, एंड देन नाउ व्हाट. करेक्ट. प्रॉब्लम इज दैट जब आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन मीट नहीं होती है, करेक्ट, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यार ये एक्सपेक्टेशन क्यों मीट नहीं हुई. वो एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या मेरे वजह से मीट नहीं हुई, क्या वो एक्सपेक्टेशन मेरे पार्टनर्स के लिए मीट नहीं हुई. वॉज इट समथिंग दैट आई डिड रॉन्ग और वॉज इट समथिंग दैट माई पार्टनर वॉज नॉट एबल टू प्रोवाइड. वन यू वॉन्ट टू स्टेप इन टू द अदर रिलेशनशिप. Once you have this clarity, you will be better off than previous relationship. An abusive relationship is a different thing, as you mentioned that she was in an abusive relationship. That is I'm sorry for that person whoever goes through this trouble of an abusive relationship. But then हम normally आज की तारीख में जिस हिसाब से आप देख रहे हो कि यार एक रिलेशनशिप स्वाइप लेफ्ट किया, एक रिलेशनशिप स्वाइप राइट किया, and things are just changing in and out, and you are not actually understanding what is the actual reality of love, what is it that you want from your own relationship. Correct. Yes, we had our own trouble show. I'm not saying that we did not have our troubles. I went fast, I met your father, we got married, our marriage broke once and then we again got married. We were getting matured in the process and we also broke up in between. There was one point in our relationship when we were telling that कि यार तू अपने रास्ते मैं अपने रास्ते. Correct. But then we knew what was right. What was right was that we both loved each other. The problems was for other factors that were making our relationship hamper. Correct. So that is the crux that I'm trying to make people understand, or the listeners listen, that कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि यार मेरे पार्टनर के लिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, मेरे पार्टनर ने तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट की, लाइक यूर trying to say, right?
पार्टनर ने कोई प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं की का मतलब है like the partner is not toxic, the partner is not cheating on you, the partner is not hiding things from you, the partner is not talking to someone else while also
hiding things,
being with you, like
flirting.
Emotional infidelity is not happening.
Correct.
That means like if those things are ruled out, or the partner does not have any kind of bad habits or addictions, or is not overly controlling, or is not trying to change you
correct
at every given moment.
True. So these are the right things that you need to watch out, right, in the relationship, that कि मेरा relationship क्यों succeed नहीं किया, whether were these the problems in my relationship or were these the problems that I was creating in the relationship.
So see guys, इसमें भी there are a lot of issues that will come, like your ego will not let you understand कि I was the problem.
Correct.
In the relationship.
True.
That so now in hindsight, when I look at things, I do realize that in my relationship before Karan and in Karan's like in our relationship also, there were times where I was the problem.
Correct.
There were times when I was the one who was so overbearing, who was so over available at all given points of time, who was just constantly revolving her life around that one person.
Correct. True.
Which is also called smothering in the relationship.
Correct.
Which is also called hovering like a helicopter around the love of your life. कॉन्स्टेंटली
उठते बैठते जीते
उठते
जागते
बैठते, हाँ मतलब आपके अपने कोई दोस्त नहीं है, आपकी अपनी कोई लाइफ नहीं है, आप सिर्फ आंखें खुल के आप उन्हीं के बारे में सोचते हो और पूरा दिन उन्हीं के साथ बिताते हो और एंड भी उन्हीं के साथ होता है.
करेक्ट
बट एंड उसमें आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी ही खत्म कर देते हो.
करेक्ट
लाइक आपको याद ही नहीं रहता कि आपको क्या पसंद है. Like there is a very beautiful movie. I think it is The Runaway Bride
ओके
of Julia Roberts. Okay, तो उस मूवी में it's available on Netflix if anybody wants to watch it. उस मूवी में ऐसा होता है कि जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स इज फेमस फॉर बीइंग भगौड़ी दुल्हन. वो शादी में अपनी वेडिंग ड्रेस के नीचे हमेशा जूते पहन के जाती है. जूते ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स शूज पहन के जाती है क्योंकि उसको कुछ डर है कमिटमेंट का. जैसी शादी होने वाली होती है वो भाग जाती है. तो शी इज कॉल्ड द रनअवे ब्राइड एंड एवरी टाइम शी फॉल्स इन लव विद समवन, दैट समवन इज सो हैप्पी, लाइक शी मेक्स हिम सो हैप्पी दैट द अदर पर्सन थिंक्स कि बस अब मैं इस लड़की को बदल दूंगा.
करेक्ट
But then when one man decides to like he's a journalist, he decides to figure out कि कौन है ये और ऐसे क्यों कर रही है, what is the problem. So what he does is कि अच्छा, और उसने कुछ रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया होता है लड़की ने, पता है कि कुछ 12वीं शादी से भाग रही होती है something like that. So that journalist actually comes to cover it as a सनसनीखेज news. Okay, and वो तिकड़म लगाता है. एंड रिचर्ड गेयर इज द जर्नलिस्ट. तो वो तिकड़ा लगाते हैं. वो क्या करता है कि उसके सारे एक्सेस को ढूंढता है.
करेक्ट
और जाके उनसे पूछता है कि क्यों छोड़ा उसने तुमको, क्यों छोड़ा. एंड सारे लोग यही बताते कि ओ वो तो ऐसी थी, वो तो ऐसी थी. एंड देन ही स्टार्ट्स टू नोटिस कि वो हर एक बंदा जो होता है ना वो अलग अलग बताता है. वो ये बताता है, एक बंदा होता है जो बोलता है कि अरे उसको तो पैनकेक्स पसंद थे सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में, हम दोनों, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद थे, फिर हम दोनों बहुत मिलके पैनकेक्स बनाते थे. इट यूज्ड टू बी सच अ रोमांटिक थिंग दैट वी डू. दूसरा बंदा मिलता है, फिर वो बोलता है कि अरे उसको तो सनी साइड अप एग्स पसंद थे, वो मुझे भी सनी साइड एग्स पसंद थे, तो मैं फिर हम लोग उनके दोनों के लिए हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट बना देते थे, बहुत अच्छा लगता था. फिर तीसरा बोलता है मुझे तो मसाला ऑमलेट, मतलब आई एम सेइंग मसाला ऑमलेट उसमें
well this is पसंद थी.
So it was all about the fact that how this woman did not know what she wanted herself.
Correct.
She used to become exactly what the man wanted in the relationship.
Yeah.
So she was so desperate for love, she was so looking for love that she used to eat the kind of eggs that the guy would like.
Correct.
So every guy she was with had said a different kind of eggs.
Correct.
And this is what the journalist realizes, that she doesn't show her true self
Correct.
to anyone because probably she also doesn't know who she is.
True.
You just become the
Yeah,
other person.
other
कि,
person.
अच्छा okay, I was ready to be Karan's सुंदर सुशील गृह कार्य में दक्ष बीवी. If that meant impressing his mother, if that meant cooking and proving a point to him that I can take care of you, if that meant going on bike rides with him even though I hated it, if that meant going in camping with Karan even though I didn't know how to like manage in the wild, I used to do that.
Correct.
Without ever showing any displeasure to Karan that I'm not liking it or I'm not enjoying it. So what did Karan think that हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल सेट है, इसको तो सब कुछ आ गया है, मतलब मैं जैसे करता हूँ चीजें इसको समझ में आती है, इसको अच्छा लगता है. I never put my foot down to tell him that नहीं ये यहाँ पे I draw boundaries.
True.
I don't want to do these things. I don't want to feel that adrenaline rush. It gives me anxiety.
Yeah.
It gives me more like now when in hindsight I look at those things, I realize that how much caught up in that anxiety I used to be, that मैं कैंपिंग जाती थी लेकिन साथ में कॉकरोच का स्प्रे लेके जाती थी.
Correct.
क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता था कॉन्स्टेंटली कि ओ माय गॉड समथिंग इज गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ समवेयर और मैं उसको कॉकरोच के स्प्रे से मार दूंगी. So the point being that first, before getting into a relationship, realize who you are.
Correct.
By yourself.
Correct.
And see if the other person you are going to fall in love with or who is fallen in love with you is ready to accept who you are
Correct.
as you.
Yeah.
not as a version of themselves.
Yeah, the most important part, as we started in the episode, is that most of the time when we get into the relationship, we forget who we are. We start changing ourselves for the person whom we love, because love has that power to change you. Because आप इतने प्यार में पागल हो चुके होते हो कि आप सब कुछ चेंज करना चाहते हो अपने लिए, लाइक शोकी डिड फॉर मी, करेक्ट. बट व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इज, इफ यू रियलाइज दैट आई वाज मेकिंग अ सर्टन expectation from Shoki that this is how my life will be with her, because she was showcasing me that कि I'm comfortable. And when you showcase your partner that you are comfortable, वो तो assume कर लेगा कि यार इसको तो सब कुछ चलता है. तो ये लव का पावर होता है. बट आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक डेफिनेशन समझनी पड़ती है कि what do you want from your own self, what kind of a relationship that you are looking out, whether that is a healthy relationship. Every relationship should be healthy, but you need to know that कि आपको वो expectation क्या है अपने partner से. If you want a romantic person in a relationship, then I think you should talk about it in detail with the person, and you should also understand that it's not going to be easy. There are going to be challenges in the relationship. ऐसा नहीं होता कि like you guys now know our story. Shoki is a very romanticized version. उसको चाहिए होता है वैसा, but मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ. That is true. Now she has realized, we have learned our lessons.
But so I had always told you, Karan, in
Yeah.
my defense, that मुझे romance चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है ना, बट मैंने मना कर दिया था ना, मैं तो उसे स्टोरी.
I had expressed.
Yes, okay,
I
go ahead.
still keep expressing.
Okay. So you can go ahead, please. Yes.
तुम्हारे अंदर से नहीं आता, वो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम. So मैंने तो कोशिश की ना निकालने की.
Yes. थोड़ा बहुत निकला, but ठीक है.
So it's like वो ट्यूब खत्म हो जाता है, उसमें फिर भी हम टूथपेस्ट
निकालने की कोशिश करते रहते.
तो करण ने पहले बोल दिया था कि मेरा ट्यूब खत्म है, रोमांस का है ही नहीं मेरे पास. फिर भी मैं कोशिश करी थी कि नहीं थोड़ा तो
पास
निकल
तक
जाए.
चलता है ट्यूब, ऐसा है.
थोड़ा
शी इज
तो
लाइक द
निकल
इंडियन बेलन से निकाल के सब करके निकालती. Yeah.
But on a serious note, you guys need to know what are your expectations out of a partner.
Yeah.
Like romance चाहिए, like Karan said, adventure चाहिए. There are intellectual things that you want to discuss. What kind of conversations do you want to have? Do you guys like the same kind of films? Do you like, is one of you a sci-fi person, whereas the other one is completely fiction?
Correct.
They don't want to have science fiction kind of things.
Correct.
They just want to watch love stories, or they just want to watch adventurous, happy, fun movies and no horror and stuff like that, right? What are your political views? That matter a lot. Like,
Correct.
not between Karan and me, but like, for example, if one of you is left wing and one of you is right wing, what are you going to do? मतलब पहले ही जीवन में नहीं पहले ही जीवन में कलेश कम है कि तुम पॉलिटिक्स को लेके भी कलेश ही करते रहोगे, right?
Yes.
So if you are, before getting into a relationship, if you are completely in sync
Yeah.
with what you want to do
Correct.
and what you want to expect out of a partner,
Correct.
then it will be easy
Yeah.
for you to realize कि अब हमें जो next relationship है उसमें हमें क्या नहीं करना है.
Correct.
और सबसे पहला एग्जाम्पल तो जो ही करण ने बोला कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप तो वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी.
Correct.
Okay, so you have to really do an introspection.
Yeah.
And keep aside your ego and
Correct.
think कि अगर तुम्हारा पार्टनर या तुम्हारी पार्टनर तुम्हें ये बोलते हुए गई है कि तूने मेरे साथ ये किया, तूने मेरे साथ वो किया, तो क्या वो सच है
Yeah.
या फिर that was just an excuse on their part to just leave.
Yeah. You
बट
will
अगर
make
आपको
it.
ऐसा लगता है ना, और पता है ऑनेस्टली हमें हमेशा पता होता है,
Correct.
अंदर से हमें पता होता है, हम उस चीज़ को निगेट करने की कोशिश करें, बट अंदर से हमें पता होता है कि
Yeah.
हाँ ये प्रॉब्लम मेरी है.
True. True.
तो
True.
अगर आपका 0.5% इनर वॉइस भी ये बोल रहा है ना कि हाँ यार शायद तेरे ही भसड़ है, तो फिर आपको सोचना चाहिए उस
True.
बारे में.
True. True.
मे बी डिस्कस इट विद योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड
Yeah.
कि तेरे को ऐसा लगता है क्या कि मैं ऐसी हालत में हूँ, पर बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए who says कि नहीं रे पागल है क्या, तू बेस्ट है लाइफ में.
Yeah.
बेस्ट फ्रेंड शुड बी द वन हु कैन शो यू अ मिरर.
Reality check देना चाहिए वो
हाँ,
बंदा.
रियलिटी चेक देना चाहिए बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने, क्योंकि ये अगर ऐसे चलता रहा तो फिर आप you'll end up with multiple relationships with the same issues and you'll keep thinking that मुझे ऐसे लोग क्यों मिलते हैं, but
Yeah.
what if तुम्हारे अंदर वो प्रॉब्लम है, right?
Yeah.
Like for example, in the Runaway Bride, I was giving an example. वो लड़की का
तो
problem
पता ही नहीं
था.
था कि क्या है.
हाँ, वो लड़की को नहीं पता था. Every time she would love to get married, but every time she would reach the altar, she would be like, oh मैं तो भाग रही हूँ, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए.
Correct.
Right? तो what was it that she was wanting? She wanted love, she wanted commitment. She used to commit also. She used to wear the ring. She used to be a great fiance. But when it comes to the wedding day, she used to run away. So she was the problem.
Yeah.
Clearly, she had her abandonment issues. She had her commitment issues. She had to take care of those issues, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So and which is what is resolved in the movie eventually romantically. But it also had a lot of message
Yeah.
to understand
True.
that this could be the thing wrong with the girl herself.
So शो जिस हिसाब से तुमने इतनी अच्छी मैसेजिंग दी अबाउट कौन सी मूवी थी?
Runaway Bride.
रन अवे ब्राइड के बारे में, क्या तुम्हें उसी तरीके से शिक्षा भी देनी है कि शिक्षा पूरे एपिसोड
तो
में आ
Runaway-
चुकी है?
नहीं, शिक्षा तो पूरे एपिसोड में आ चुके हैं, बट आई विल सम इट अप फॉर पीपल दैट वी स्टार्टेड विथ हाउ पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स अफेक्ट यू
करेक्ट.
एंड हाउ पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स अफेक्ट द करंट रिलेशनशिप.
या या
And then eventually we also spoke about the fact that how we could be the problem
करेक्ट
in the relationship, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we need to also look within.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन इज वेरी वेरी
Yes,
इंपॉर्टेंट.
look within that. ये जो हमारी problems हैं या जिस चीज़ के कारण ब्रेकअप हुआ, क्या वो चीज़ मेरे अंदर की प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
करेक्ट करेक्ट
एंड अगर है तो मैं उसे कैसे ठीक कर सकता हूँ बिफोर आई गो इनटू अनदर रिलेशनशिप.
करेक्ट.
And also, the most important shiksha I would like to tell from today's episode is that don't jump from a relationship to the other.
या
Give yourself some space and time to figure out what has happened and
Yeah.
to heal.
correct. And also, you know, one shiksha that I personally have and I want people to be very very aware is, in this fast technologically advanced world, don't swipe right, don't swipe left very fast in your relationship.
Yeah.
Because मेरे हिसाब से I think it is very easy today and common today to exchange the energies with each other while having a relationship, and that actually creates a mess in your head, because what happens is we are not frankly understanding that what do we want, and then we keep on asking for more, and in that you don't get even a single thing what you are looking out for. What a true relationship is actually is when you understand him or her for a longer duration of time. There is a lot of introspection, there is a lot of sacrifice, there is a lot of love, there is a lot of emotions that relationships are built on. With technology, I think that is not happening. This is something which is very very important in today's world. That is my learning and my shiksha from this episode.
Yeah. But Karan, like, you are saying that today in digital world, there are a lot of people swiping left and right and left and right. एक टाइम था जब आप भी लेफ्ट एंड राइट लोगों को देख के ऐसे एकदम पसंद कर रहे होते थे विदाउट द डिजिटल थिंग एट दैट
मैं नहीं पसंद कर रहा था.
Oh! So whatever the case was, but we'll come to that in the next episode. वो loaded topic है थोड़ा.
Yeah.
तो मैं पहले तैयारी कर लूँ.
Yeah.
Notes वोट्स
Okay
बना
guys,
लूँ कि
मेरा
कौन
कत्ल
कौन
होने
से-
वाला है next episode में. Shoki is going to
I'm
get...
going to get into details of every single relationship Karan has been in the past.
Okay, this is going to be a very very crazy episode. I am sure. I have to
So,
really prepare myself. Yeah.
Let's take that journey with Karan in the next episode on how to be a Casanova.
अभी मेरे से वो निकलेगा नहीं शो, but whatever I can. I am not a Casanova guy anymore. I'm a सीधा साधा सुंदर
हम तो
सुशील
वैसे
गृह
ही-
कार्य में दक्ष लड़का जो
मेरे लाइन मत छोड़.
शोकी का पति बन चुका हूँ.
मेरी लाइन मत छोड़.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for giving us all the time that
Yeah.
you do. Thank you so much for giving us so much love. आप लोग हमको मैसेज करते हो, बताते हो. There are people who have already joined the Nirash Chaku club.
Yeah.
I was so happy that one other person is telling one more to the Nirash Chaku club. So here we are from Happy Whatever After signing off. You can we are there on all social media platforms, and you can like, share and subscribe so that you get notified every time we release a new episode.
Thank you guys. See you next week.